elephant.
Whoa! My God! I caught this. I caught another one. And I caught a green one. Whoa! But then I caught it.
Lots of fun playing elephant.
I caught it.
Wow. Is that how you catch them, Reese? That's one way. Is there any more butterflies? Say butterfly.
Right there. And right there.
Can you say butterfly?
Butterfly.
Good job, Elise.
That's my favorite.
Reese, can you say butterfly?
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
It's not catching.
Kira, can you say butterfly?
Whoa.
Okay, time to do it again.